Hi everyone, my name's Kalem, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a contactor on our 12 volt and 24 volt Uni Directional pumps. The only tools needed for this job will be a 13mm spanner and a standard Phillips head screwdriver. As always, before we get started, you want to turn off the power at the source or disconnect the battery. The first thing we'll want to do is remove the two signal wires and then remove the positive battery wire. Keep hold of that spring washer and you'll see you'll have the wire for the harness and our battery wire. Next, you want to disconnect the positive wires from the motor. It's always easier to get this one as the other one can kind of get in the way. So just do this here. Remove that. Now, as you'll see on the side of the motor, you have two bolts holding in the bracket for this contactor. You can use a screwdriver just to loosen those off. As you'll see, contactor comes straight off. Now you're going to want to remove this cable and transfer it from the old contactor onto the new contactor. So now we're doing everything in reverse with the new contactor. There'll be two spots you can put it. You can't put it in this one because it'll hit the post for the motor. So you're going to put it on the one on the left side, just like that. And you want to screw these back in. Now just tight enough that it won't move. Now we can go connect this motor wire back on using our same 13mm. I'm going to try and tighten that up like so, nice and tight so it doesn't wiggle, and put this cover right back on, so then they can't touch. Now we are ready to put the positive battery lead back onto this post. Also want our yellow wire for our controller, just on top of that. Spring washer and nut. Just firm enough so it can't wiggle. Now we can put these two signal leads on. Your negative black wire on the far side towards the motor, and your blue signal wire towards the end of the contactor. Just like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and join back next time for some more tips and tricks.